Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mendaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix slow file transfer and increase copy speed on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step or the first method na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung services sa Windows and then click mo lang yung open. So dito sa kanyang services local, kailangan mo lang iselect yung optimized drive. So scroll down tayo, okay? So dito sa optimized drive, so double click lang tayo. And then pop up yung optimized drive properties. So dito lang sa general, and then dito sa gitna makita mo dito yung startup type. So select mo lang itong automatic, okay? And then click mo yung apply, click mo yung okay. So dito din sa kanyang optimized drive ay mag right click ka lang, and then kailangan mo lang i-click tong start. And then wait natin. Alright, in the next method naman na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa start menus, click mo lang yan, and then dito sa searching bar, ay search lang natin yung turn Windows on and off. Okay, so click mo tong open. So dito sa kanyang Windows features ay kailangan mo lang i-uncheck yung remote differential compressions API support. So uncheck natin, and then click mo yung okay. And then wait natin mag-search ng files. Okay, so Windows completed request change. Alright, and the last method na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang si start menu, so click mo lang yan, and then dito sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung Windows PowerShell. Alright, and then click mo lang as run as administrator. So dito sa kanyang administrator PowerShell, kailangan lang natin i-enter yung keyword na NES space int space tcp space set space global space auto tuning. Alright, and then label. So one word dyan, auto tuning label, and then equals disabled. Ayan, so ito yung keyword nilalagay natin dito na NES space int space tcp space set space global space auto tuning label equals disabled, and then press mo lang yung enter, and then yan siya mga kaibigan. So ang next step dito ay kailangan lang natin na mag-restart dito sa ating PC. So click mo lang yan, and then click mo tong restart para ma-fix yung problem na fix slow file transfer at ma-increase yung copy speed natin sa Windows 11. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.